Hello, scholars. This is a lesson overview for math lesson number 11, Introduction to Integers. For this lesson, you are going to need the following materials: your bell ringer notebook and your Chromebook. Your learning target for this lesson is I can graph a positive and negative number. First, your task is to complete your bell ringer in 3 minutes. You need to start the video on the next below when you're ready to begin and then go to the next slide. Read the question and write your answer in a complete sentence in your bell ringer notebook. If you start the video below, you will hear music as well as see a 3-minute countdown. You can go to the slide and read the question and complete it in your bell ringer notebook. The question states, what does this sign mean besides subtract, negative or positive? This is the sign that you're looking at, and in your bell ringer notebook, you need to write this complete sentence. This sign means it is blank. If you go back to the previous slide, you'll notice you have 2 minutes and 15 seconds left to finish. Next, you're going to go to the task and watch the Study Jam's Introduction to Integers video. If you click on this link right here that is highlighted in blue, it will take you to the video. Watch the video and listen to the introduction to integers. Next, you are going to have a match-up game with integers. I want you to click on the Start button and then drag these pictures to the correct definition. You have 4 different vocabulary words for this unit: negative number, positive number, zero, and integer. And you want to drag these pictures to the correct area. So for example, the first one says a number to the left side of 0. The next says the middle of all numbers. And then are all the whole numbers and the opposites. And last is a number to the right side of 0. Once you drag all of these pictures in the correct boxes, you're going to hit Submit Answers, and you're going to check to see if you got any or all of these correct. Next task is you're going to complete the positive and negative guided notes on Kami. And if you need help, you can use teacher video number 11. If you've completed this with the teacher in class, you do not need to watch the video unless you have to go back and change or correct some answers. But you should find this assignment located in Google Classroom, and it's titled Positive and Negative Guided Notes. As you can see on the boxes that are filled in yellow with the box underlined, that's where you're going to complete your answers. You're going to put your answers in those boxes. For more information, just watch teacher video number 11. Then you've got to practice graphing numbers on the Math is Fun number line using the dice. I've given you a video to show you how to do this. All you need to do is click on this teacher video, and it will give you directions on what you're supposed to do for this task. And then your last task, you're going to work on this independently. I want you to complete the graphing numbers on a number line practice and then submit it on Google Classroom. Again, you can do this on Kami, and this is a picture of what this practice looks like. And if you can access this assignment on Google Classroom, or you can click here on this link and it will provide you the assignment. And the final slide we have for the lesson is just a checklist for math lesson number 11. Make sure you go through each one of these items to make sure you've completed this to complete the lesson. Again, as a review, you need to complete bell ringer number 11 in your bell ringer notebook. Number 2, watch the Study Jams video. Number 3, match the vocabulary words on the virtual word wall. 4, complete the positive and negative guided notes. Number 5, practice graphing numbers on the Math is Fun number line using the dice. You can also watch the teacher video if you need directions. And 6, complete the graphing numbers on a number line practice. Make sure you submit it on Google Classroom. And last, number 7, Make sure you turn your work in on Google Classroom so the teacher knows you're finished and can give you a grade. Good luck with the assignment, scholars. I will see you again in lesson number 12.